If you thought the Corvette couldn't get any better, think again. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 just raised the bar again, blending raw American power with cutting-edge design and tech. Let's dive into what makes this one of the most exciting performance cars on the road today. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Design. The 2026 C8 continues the bold, mid-engine layout that turned heads in 2020, but it's sharper, leaner, and more refined than ever. New aerodynamic tweaks give it a more aggressive stance, while subtle updates to the front and rear fascias hint at its performance focus. The proportions are pure supercar, low, wide, and unapologetically sleek. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, you'll find an enhanced 6.2-liter LT2 V8 pushing out a fierce 515 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds, and the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with razor-sharp precision. Whether you're on a twisty canyon road or a straightaway, the 2026 C8 delivers control, balance, and that signature Corvette thrill. Features and technology. Inside, Chevrolet has refined the cabin experience. A new curved digital display wraps toward the driver, paired with upgraded infotainment, wireless updates, and a more intuitive interface. Enhanced driver aids and performance telemetry keep you both safe and informed, whether you're commuting or carving corners. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 is more than a sports car, it's a statement. Bold, fast, and surprisingly refined, it's a reminder that American performance is alive and well. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more fresh takes on the cars shaping tomorrow.